Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of versatile footwear with the Furuian men's deck boots, the ultimate companion for all your outdoor adventures. These waterproof rain boots are designed with a slip-on neoprene rubber construction, ensuring your feet stay dry and comfortable whether you're gardening, fishing, boating, camping, or sailing. With their ankle-length design, these Chelsea-style booties offer both style and functionality, making them perfect for any occasion. The durable rubber sole provides excellent traction on wet surfaces, giving you the confidence to tackle any terrain. Plus, the lightweight design ensures you won't feel weighed down, allowing for all-day wear without discomfort. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just enjoy a leisurely day by the water, these booties para hombre are a must-have in your footwear collection. So, step into comfort and reliability with Furuian men's deck boots and elevate your outdoor experience today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.